We've invented the world's only modular bending brake that we 100% manufacture in our North American factory. This unique design allows you to upgrade and change your brake design as your needs change. Let me show you how we did it. So in order to make our connections strong, reliable, and accurate every single time, we spent years and dozens of iteration on our connector design, and this is the final result. You'll see on our connector we have 2 female notches, and all our extrusions have 2 male protrusion that interlocks in every axis of those connectors. So as soon as you interlock them together, everything fits like a glove, nice and tight, time after time. Bridges, airplanes, skyscrapers, all rely on this type of connection. Precision fit and incredibly strong. Another advantage of our brake is that we use 1/4-inch aluminum plate to make our power plate frames. Unlike other brands that use casted aluminum, which tends to be brittle and to break along the back, our design ensures that you'll have the power for a long time. We offer it in a 24-inch deep option or 61 centimeter depth. And we also have a depth of 19 inches, 48 centimeter that is available as well. So we have a lot of people asking what's the advantage of having 24 inches in depth? Well, the advantage is huge. That was probably one of the changes I made as a contractor to my previous existing brakes, which made my life a lot easier. There's 2 main reasons for that. Having 24 inches allows you to fit the whole sheet in and start bending right from the edge. Without having to figure out your layout prior to bending. Another big advantage, if you're getting into the heavy-duty model that will do up to 24 gauge steel, it allows you to put a 48-inch wide sheet in the brake, and it allows you to cut it down right in the middle into 2 24-inch sections, which is not possible otherwise. Another feature contractors will appreciate is our movable anvil. So we've designed our anvil to be adjustable from a 1/2-inch setback, 5/8, and 3/4-inch setback. The beauty of this design is that it gives you fine details when you want to bend tighter bends in a 1/2-inch distance, and it gives you the extra power when you're bending heavier gauge material with the 3/4-inch setback. Again, this is something that's never been done in the industry before. So we've designed this feature to be super quick and efficient to adjust. So simply pull the brake into the lock position. You'll see now there's no pressure on the spin, so remove the pin. Right now we're at the 5/8 distance, which is the middle distance. If you want to go to a 1/2-inch, unlock it here so that you can see that the teeth unlock. Pull to the front along the whole way. Now you'll see that you're in the 1/2-inch distance. You would reinsert the pin to lock it in place. Now you're ready to use it at the 1/2-inch distance. If you want to go to the 3/4-inch, simply open it up, push all the way back along the whole way, lock it in place, and now you're at the 3/4-inch setback. So right now we have our anvil adjusted to the 3/4-inch setback, and you'll see how simple and easy it is to bend this 24 gauge steel. So insert this 10-foot piece into the brake, lock it, and it's as simple as that. And with the anvil adjusted to the 1/2-inch setback, if you're bending lighter gauge aluminum, you'll be able to get more details and closer bends to one another with the adjustable anvil. So check this out. Check how tight this J is. One thing that always frustrated me was how much effort was required to close the hem on a piece, especially on a longer piece with heavier gauge material like steel. So what we've done to overcome that frustration was design a big hemming pocket, which allows you to rest your material right in, and you can do it by yourself, effortlessly with just one hand. So we've designed our clamping mechanism so that there's no pressure on the pivot points while it's in the lock position. All the power goes from aluminum to aluminum to aluminum to aluminum, ensuring that 100% of the force is into the material being bent, and also preventing shear pressure on the pins. When it's in the lock position, you'll notice there's no shear pressure on the pins, so that ensures that the mechanism is long-lasting. The beauty of our locking mechanism is that it's really effortless. Check out this one finger operation. If you want to do a movement of the anvil for minute adjustment, you can clamp it down and lock it with a finger. So our movable bending handle can be relocated anywhere along the full length of the brake, and our top clamping anvil also allows you to operate the brake right from the edge. This is a big advantage, especially when you're doing bird boxes, for example. It allows you to work directly from the edge of the brake, allowing you to lock and operate the brake right from the edge when you're on your line, without having to move back and forth to make all your bends. It's as simple as that. We've also incorporated a convenient storage mode in our brake to ensure that you have flat surfaces and it's compact for transportation and storage when you're not using the brake. Here's how we did it. Now that the bending handle is in the storage mode, this is what you use to carry your brake around. We're also the only manufacturer offering a solid piece of stainless edge that's CNC machined to give us a perfect bending edge, which also allows us to have a seamless transition at the modules. Our brake also offers the widest opening in the industry at 2.5 inches or 6.4 centimeters, which is important to allow you the easy in and out of pre-bent pieces or standing seam pieces. Another nice feature of our Innovatools Modular Brake is the ease of adjustment for the clamping pressure on the moving anvil. Taking a simple 9/16 wrench, turning clockwise will increase the pressure, and turning counterclockwise will decrease the pressure. It's as simple as that. So for the clamping motion, some people prefer the pull to lock motion, and some people prefer the push to lock motion. What we've done is we've designed it so that you can configure it to what works best for you. Right now we're in the pull to lock motion, and now we're set up in the push to lock motion. So you just got your first contract for bending steel, but you've purchased our contractor grade? Don't worry, you don't need to buy a whole new brake. Well, the beauty of our design is that you can upgrade your contractor grade into a heavy duty grade by simply adding power plates in between each power plates. It's as easy as that. So now the last step to your heavy duty brake is to add the 2 additional bending handles. And now you're heavy duty. So we've designed our modules at either 36 inch or 42 inches, giving you the broadest range of options for the overall length of your brake available on the market. We've also developed a wide range of time-saving accessories to complement our Innovatools Modular Brake.